This is nail gun. How to use that? First, insert this cylinder in cylinder point and just push that. And this is the battery. Use this battery this side and just push that. And this is ready to use. And this is the nail point. If you just up there and insert a nails, and just already nails is inserted, this is ready to use. Now you can just take that and this is start, and this is ready to soldering, and this is ready to nailing. Thank you. After using this, how to eject that? Just tap this switch. This is this is eject. And battery is normal, just push that.